Hello, I'm Michelle from Protein Software. I'm going to introduce you to the Azure AD Connect part of Account Manager for Microsoft 365, known as AMM365. For those who do not know, AMM365 is software for preparing and managing your Active Directory accounts whether or not they are synchronized with Microsoft 365. To find out more, I invite you to visit our website www.m365.com or check out our other videos. Let's open the application and click on the Azure AD Connect part. The button is active only if Microsoft Azure AD Connect is installed on the same server. If not, you can download it directly by clicking on the link. Here is the Azure AD Connect menu from AMM365. Here you can see which version is installed and whether auto upgrade is enabled. At the bottom of the window we can check the status of Azure AD Connect services. It is also possible to check the status of the last synchronization, and also to launch a Delta or full synchronization on demand with a single click. On the scheduler part, we see the settings applied. For example, here the synchronization is done in Delta every 30 minutes, the default value. It is very easy to customize this interval by clicking on the corresponding button. A window appears allowing you to choose your synchronization timing. The interval change will take place at the next synchronization. If the timing is not suitable, it is always possible to return to the default setting. AMM365 also makes it easy to check and modify other Azure AD Connect settings, such as disabling sync, scheduling, maintenance mode, or staging. In short, you can see that these operations are very accessible and do not require any knowledge of PowerShell. AMM365 will therefore be a considerable help for any computer scientist to carry out these basic administration tasks. Well, I hope this part answered your questions. Do not hesitate to ask us your questions or give your opinions directly on our site and to visit our other videos online. Thank you and see you soon at www.m365.com.